As China downgraded its management of COVID-19, Macau's Special Administrative Region has eased travel restrictions on inbound visitors, which led to surging tourist arrivals. According to local tourism office, Macau saw 55,000 people arriving last Saturday, a record high for daily arrivals since the pandemic began.
那我之前也来过澳门，对澳门印象是蛮观光跟旅游的，对这边印象不错，吃喝玩乐还蛮健全的。
来澳门玩了4天，是一开放然后就来到澳门玩了。我们对澳门的总体印象是非常好的，因为我觉得他们本地人非常的热情和友好。
We are super happy to come to Macau just for the day with the kids, so that I can show them Macau, the old city, the restaurants, and spend a good day.
We like to come to Macau, as soon as it's open. The dining, entertainment, great shows here as well.
幾年之後第一次過嚟嘅，咁啊心情都好開心啊！過嚟澳門玩啊！咁疫情之前我大概都係2-3個月嚟一次啦。咁疫情之後嘅，咁我啲朋友都好開心，咁我都會同啲朋友多啲嚟玩嘅咁樣。